Hello folks, in this video we are going to learn about iframes in HTML. So iframes in HTML is like a website that can show another website or content, giving you the power to show external stuff within a website. So let's see iframes in VS Code. So here we have like a tutorial 13 folder, and under that we have an empty index.html file. Let's start with the starter template, and here I will write iframe in HTML. Let's move ahead. Here I'll create a simple div, and then here I'll write iframe. Right. As you can see, we have an src where we can add link, and then we have frame border, which is basically the border from all four sides. Now let's take an example of how we can show it from iframetester.com. Iframe tester. So this is just a website. So let's show this website, or it's better to say, let's inject this website into our app. So here in the src, I'll put this one, and let's click on go live to see at least something in the browser. So as you can see, this, let me open this. This entire browser has been injected in our website, right? So this is the power of iframe. Let's make it a bit beautiful by adding a width. It can be 100%, and I'll write height as 800 of pixels. Now as you can see, this has grown bigger on both length as well as height. Great. Now let's see another example. So you can also embed videos inside your website. Let's see that. One more thing, guys, like here you can perform the similar actions as you can perform on the real website. So this is the real website, iframetester.com, and this is where we have injected the iframetester website into our website, right? So there are also certain websites which doesn't allow this part, like they don't want their website to be injected. So this is also one thing that should be kept in mind. Let's remove iframe tester. Let's remove this stuff here, and let's go in YouTube. Great. Now here I'll write something 4K video, maybe 4K video. It's Ultra HD. Let's open this part. Right. And here we should have a share icon. I'll click on this. And here, as you can see, we have an embed option. I'll click on embed. And as you can see, the YouTube is giving us this part, iframe with certain properties. I'll explain each and everything. Nothing to worry. Let's paste this out. And now let's I'll walk you through what are the things. First, let's go ahead with the width. So width is 560 pixels, height is 315 pixels, and we have the link of the video here in the src. Now we have a title inside the iframe. Now this is the frame border, right? I'll show you what the frame border is. Now there are certain properties which they have given, like allow, accelerometer, autoplay. These are certain properties which can be given or not given. Now this is picture in picture. These are all, access stuff, like whether you want to give access to this stuff or not. Let's reduce this, or it's better to format the document. Right. Now we have one more thing, allow full screen. Right. I'll save it, and then I'll open it. So as you can see, this browser, I'm sorry, this is not a browser. This video has been embedded into our website. Now you see one more thing here. You see this icon here. So we can also make this a full screen, right? So this is happening because of this allow full screen option. If I comment this off, it's not okay. If I remove this off, and if I refresh the page, you'll see that while playing the video, I cannot expand as this is disabled. Full screen is unavailable. Right, this is a full screen. So once I click on this again, we should have this option. Let's increase the width to 100%. and the height to something around 800 of pixels. Let's save this. And as you can see, it has taken the full screen. So we are playing a video, which is not ours actually. We are basically embedding the video onto our app. Let's move ahead. I'll show you one more use case. A more example we're going to see is regarding the maps. So let's cut this off. Let's go to maps.google.com. I'll show you one interesting thing here. Let's search for something. For example, I'll write Ram Mandir, Ayodhya, Ayodhya. I'll search this off, and here I'll click on this. Now here we should have a share icon as well. Now here you will see one more option called embed a map. Let's copy the HTML and let's paste in our website. Right now the properties are pretty much the same. Loading lazy is basically the thing which allows map to load easily, actually, means slowly on its own time. Right. Let's save it. And as you can see, we have that specific map embedded on our website. Right. Let's add few properties here. For example, I'll add 100% and I'll give again an 800 pixels of height, which will allow this to go on the full screen. Right. As you can see, we have the plus and minus icon, which will allow the zooming. Whatever you can see on the map and perform the actions on the map, you can do the same with the help of iframe injection. Right. For example, I can switch into the satellite mode, and then we can pretty much do all this stuff. Right. So this is the power of like iframe, guys. Like you can do, like you can inject pretty much everything, whether like if the user has allowed the injection property, like if they want the like videos or websites to be injected, right? You cannot inject all the websites. For example, I'll show you github.com, like github.com. If we try to inject github.com, let's remove this. Let's put this. Now you'll notice one thing here. GitHub.com refused to connect. So this states that GitHub is not allowing any user to inject their website onto the app you are building. So iframes are very useful when you want to show certain videos or stuff like that, which I've already shown you as an example. So this is pretty much it about this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.